Hi guys, so today this is the last day of the expo at the KICC Nairobi, Kenya. So this is the Build Expo. Anything building and materials you require for your building purposes, this is the place to be. So yeah, you can see there are several companies offering different things. This is the KICC. Yep. There are so many. There are others at the back, others on that side. Yeah, so in case you need anything, you can watch the video. Maybe you'll see something that will interest you, that you'll need to buy in case you are constructing a house. Yeah, this is the place to be. So guys, I came for Building Expo. I'm manifesting to build my house soon, so I came to have a look of everything. So I'm at KICC Nairobi, Kenya. You can see there's a lot for those who are looking forward to building their own houses. You can just have a look at the companies available. You know where to get everything. Yeah. Again, Truro. Oh, okay. Oh, they went home already. But you can see Remas. If you want a backup generator. Janssen. Oh. Farm tools. Oh. Conmat. So that's one farm tools. Here they are. Oh, you can look at that. Oh. Okay. We are at KICC Expo. Yep. Hapo mna notice za companies. Mseme oh, sikuwa plug place ya kununua building materials. Oh, she went ahead and just did it on her own. I'm plugging you guys. Build Expo. Oh, Mabi Motors. Ukitaka gari ndio hiyo. Tupitie ndani. That's a lot. Software engineering. Oh. This is nice. What's in the name? What are these? Oh. Nice. Oh, locks. Kuna vitu mingi in building. I didn't know that things zingine nashinda what are those? Oh, backup generator. 10. Hata 10 ni mingi, 5. Ah.
Market is on and off. It depends on what type of water.
I wonder what this is. So today is the last day of the expo. I came. So guys, I'm done. I'm heading home. At least I've walked around. I've seen a lot. Some things I don't even know, like I didn't even know they exist. But yeah, it was a nice experience.